Hello everybody, one and all. I am already dirty. Yeah, there we go, that's a bit better. I am doing the calipers on the RX8s today. So it is, as you can see, caliper time. Pulled apart. I've just got to pull the pistons out of these, clean everything up, and ooh, toasted cheese. And yeah, essentially refurb them, get them ready to slap back on the car. Because I have a day at the Classic Car Club again, this time to do, well, the rest of the work on the RX8. So yeah, as you know, the dreaded rust. So I'm going to crack on with the brakes and then we will go put them on. And then, who knows, maybe next video we'll start with some metal work. Yeah, just hoping. Well, let's get on with it. So it's upgrade day for the RX8. It's time to get some LS coils and get these junk OEM things out. We need better spark, and I have a new belt I gotta put on, and in this little box here I have a new O2 sensor, because it's decided that the pre-cat O2 sensor down there somewhere as yeah, it's decided to fail, so I've got a check engine light for that now, which, yay! So, let's rip this all apart and get cracking. Well, it is oil change time, and these are the ridiculous lengths I have to go to in order to get to the oil filter, which sits over there. Because, yeah, it's the only place my tools could grab onto it. So, yeah, the upper intake has to get almost all the way removed. Things like coolant lines, plugs, etc, etc, just moved out the way so it can just slide up out the way. Yeah, so we'll pop on the new one and throw the rest of the oil in. Okay, we have our replacement belt in, and as you can see down there, the new LS coils down to our plugs. Car starts so much quicker with those coils in. I had a feeling that one of the old ones was probably bad then, because the car would like stutter a little on first initial start, but now literally just turn the key and it fires. So much better, honestly. A worthwhile upgrade. Anyone who's got a Renesas rotary, seriously, upgrade to those coils. Day and night difference. With the interior mostly back together, I've just been fault finding a driver's side seatbelt tensioner error I was getting in the diagnostic, and it turns out it was this little plug over here. So with the car being painted and the door being removed, looks like some dirt got into the plug, and all I did is just unplug it, clean it out, and clear the code, and it was happy to stay away this time instead of popping right back. So that's a result. The rest of the interior is all the way back together again. So I just need to pop this dual car back on and the accompanying pieces, and then just pop that cover back in place there.